Welcome to episode number 2 from Ooty. Hope you guys have watched the episode number 1 from Ooty. If not, please do watch because you will have lot of information from that. In the last video, I had shared 2 days of my experience in Ooty. Day number 3. Guys, it's already 12 o'clock. Let's go to some other beautiful destination in Ooty. We came to Paikara Lake. You can find the beautiful pine forest around me. It's a nice location. Difficult to walk actually, so be careful while walking down. So let's go. We came to the beautiful Paikara Lake now. See, you can find horse riding also here. And lot of beautiful, amazing view of pine forest. You can have a nice time in pine forest like how Chinju and Appu are doing. It is a fantabulous view. Don't miss this place. But you have to come down a bit. So we didn't take our Amma here. She's resting in a bench there towards the starting point. So it's already 12:30 and see the amazing view of mist and fog, guys. It's just coming down. You can see it. Wow. You can do a beautiful horse ride through this pine forest. See, looking at the lake and Appu is happily having some snacks. So when you're in Paikara Lake, you have to walk down this pine forest. Make sure you don't skid and fall and wear proper shoe so that you can easily come down. For me it was a bit difficult, but I managed to come down. Only thing is, the lake is not properly maintained, I felt. Otherwise it's a good place. Now it's time for us to go to the next place. Come! After a visit to Pine Forest, we went to the shooting point. Shooting point experience as always is amazing. Whistles and fog. We reached shooting point and it's raining. So we made Amma and Appu to sit there and we are like climbing, trekking in the afternoon and in rain. Crazy people, real crazy people. Taking rest, halfway we climbed, halfway more to climb. Halfway more to climb. Halfway we climbed, Chinju. Yeah. Halfway more to climb. Here goes with purple umbrella, our great Sham. Acting as if he's energetic than us.
But he is panting.
But he is also panting and acting.
Come guys, come.
See, overacting. Guys, it's worth climbing this place. Look at the view. What a mesmerizing view. Full of mist, full of rain, foggy, tremendous. Outstanding view guys. It's outstanding. This is the shooting point, guys. You will understand why this place is called shooting point. Such a mesmerizing view, guys. How can the film people just leave this place? Definitely the crew will come here, find some spot. Wherever you look, no, it is like kind of a picturesque and amazing place. மழை வருது குடை கொண்டு வா மானே உன் மாறாப்பிலேதோ வெயில் வருது நிழல் கொண்டு வா மன்னா உன் பேரன்பிலே. Shooting point experience was amazing as always. This time it was heavily raining guys, but still we managed to have fun in rain. After getting drenched in heavy rain, we went for lunch and came back to hotel. We just went for a shopping and came back to hotel and crashed out. Next day morning guys, let's go out and enjoy as always.
पालियम जाने वाली गाड़ी थोड़ी ही देर में प्लेटफॉर्म 8
After a long time, we took the train guys from Ooty to Lovedale. It's a small station here. Just we wanted to experience that and it was a very nice ride. It was a scenic ride. If you guys are interested, do definitely try the toy train in Ooty. You can find two routes. One is from Ooty to Mettupalayam via Kunur. The other one is Ooty to Kunur. And I heard Kunur to Mettupalayam is the best scenic view. So definitely give it a try. We don't have much time. So we are like just to experience that toy train. We just took that and came till here. And for booking the tickets, you can book via IRCTC website or you can directly take it from the counter. But better to book it through IRCTC. After a fun-filled Ooty toy train ride, we came in for lunch guys. If any of you are particularly looking for Kerala meals in Ooty, you can try this place, City Palace. Because my mom knows she wants at least once Kerala meals every day. So we try maximum to get her that. If not, she will adjust with whatever is available. And then we went to the Rose Garden and had a nice evening time there. We came to the Rose Garden. There is entry fee 40 rupees per head. It is a small and cute garden full of rose. So rose lovers, it's a must visit. Come during the season, otherwise you can't find many roses. So for rose lovers, this is your area. After a great leisure evening in the Rose Garden, we again went for shopping because we wanted to buy fruits, chocolates, etc. which are really famous in Ooty. Meet our new friend Fayaz near to Botanical Garden. And then that ends the story from day 4. Today day 5, we are about to leave guys. Everything is packed. We will just leave around 12 o'clock. Hope you liked both episodes from Ooty. We have visited almost all the tourist spots. Ooty can be enjoyed even in 2 days, 2, 4, 5, how many days you stay here, you will be happy only. We took enough time, around 5 days, and we were like going to almost all the tourist spot, and even we took break, we took rest, we had proper time with our family, and that is how I planned my trip to Ooty. You can even visit all these places in 2 days also. It is up to you how you are going to plan it. However you plan an Ooty trip, be it 2 days, be it 3 days, be it 5 days, any days, you are going to love each and every hours you are going to spend in Ooty, because Ooty is such a beautiful, romantic place. Do come to Ooty. Hope you liked all my series from Ooty. Stay tuned to my channel Anjude Vlogs. Love you all. Take care. Subscribe to my channel if not done yet. See you all soon with some other exciting episode.